So today I'm showing you this Shimeji app. So I have a few things I made and it's pretty nice. I really like it, and this little ladybug of mine I made, giving credit to Jordan the girly because she helped because right now she's locked out of her phone. Don't worry, I'm gonna put her channel in the description. But anyways, today I'll be showing how to make one. Yes, there will be a part 2, but you wanna click on create. You have to do a lot of animations, a lot. So what I'm doing today is creating a heart. So see this? This is him or her walking. It could be really anything if you want. And it's just a heart, so it's really your take. You can do anything if you want, but personally, I think this is a win. And I like it. My little ladybug walking around. She is locked out of her phone. By the way, I'm talking about Jordan the girly. That might not be her name, but that's what she calls her name. So that's what I'm calling her. So Q&A real quick. I have a question. Do you guys want to see me play Blocks D.io? Because my siblings have been playing it on their channel, so I think that would actually be nice. If you want, just put it in the comments. I know you guys don't really comment, which is fine, but at least comment. Because you guys don't usually comment, which is just kind of sad. I'm not gonna lie, I almost feel bad. But yeah, so this is a video actually. This will be a video because I'm taking long. So yeah, it's just gonna be a video then, I guess. Anyways, it might be a little silent, but that's fine. Anyways, I will do a part 2 probably tomorrow, because the time right now is just, yeah, you can probably see or not. So if I select this, it's gonna do a question mark, just to let you know. Now, if it could just start climbing, that'd be amazing. Yes, I'm annoyed a little bit. But there's a lot more you'll need to do. And it's okay, you can use the guidelines or just try and make your own thing. But this is just my opinion. There is premium, but I don't have it, which is fine. But anyways, my favorite is either the little ladybug or the little bug. So, yeah. Anyways, that's all for today. I will do a part 2 tomorrow. Bye!